morning, class. Today we are working on lesson 10 of our book 3 Saxon Math, and today's lesson is adding three numbers. So we'll take a look here at our first example. I have the numbers 3 plus 6 plus 5. So there's lots of different ways we can do this. It does not matter what order we add the numbers in, but we're only going to add two at a time. So I could add 3 plus 6 first, which would give me 9, and then I'm adding 9 plus 5, which gives me an answer of 14. That's the first way. The next way is maybe I don't want to add 3 and 6 first. Maybe I want to do 6 plus 5 first. That gives me an answer of 11, and then 11 plus 3 is also 14. Or the final way, maybe I want to add 3 plus 5 first, which gives me 8, and then 8 plus 6 is also 14. Notice that it doesn't matter which way I add them, I'm still going to get the answer of 14 every time. So one trick that I like to use, which doesn't work for this one, but it may for a lot of other problems you come across, is I like to look for, are there any numbers that are going to make a 10? So let's say I have the problem 8 plus 3 plus 2. Are there any numbers there that make a 10? Riker? The 8 and the 2 make a 10. So then I know I have 10 and 3 for an answer of 13. That's my favorite way to do it if it's possible to make a 10. All right, let's look at a word problem. Sarah walked for 5 minutes. She jumped rope for 1 minute, and she jogged for 4 minutes. How long did she exercise for? Well, we're going to start with she walked for 5 minutes. So I'm adding a 5. She jumped rope for 1 minute. So I have to add a 1. And then she jogged for 4 minutes. So I have to add a 4. So can I make a 10 here out of two numbers? No. But look what I can do. I know that 1 plus 4 is 5, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So I did end up making a 10. But since this is a word problem, what do I need? She exercised for 10 minutes. So I have to have my label. And we can abbreviate minutes to just min. That stands for minutes. Okay? This was a super duper quick lesson. The next thing we have to do is our lesson practice. So I will step out of the way here. And if you can see A, B, C, and D, pause the video now, try to answer those on your own, and when you come back, we'll go over the answers together. So 1 plus 3 plus 2, can I make a 10? Nope. But I know 3 and 2 is 5, and 5 plus 1 gives me 6. 4 plus 4 plus 4. They're all the same. Doesn't matter what order I do it in. I might as well go left to right. So 4 plus 4 is 8, and 8 plus 4 makes 12. 6 plus 5 plus 4. You should be yelling, make a 10! Make a 10! With my 6 and my 4, I get 10, and 10 plus 5 is 15. 5 plus 4 plus 1, I think I've seen this problem before. 4 and 1 come together to make 5, and then we have a 10. Boys and girls, have a wonderful day. Now is the time to start your written practice, which begins on page 54. See you tomorrow.